How to get $50 promo code on Temu. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. Now to begin with, you need to open up a browser that you prefer in your device. In the search bar, go ahead and search for Coupon Follow. Tap on it. In here, you will find various of top coupons, promo codes, and more regarding various of brands. To search for your particular Temu promo code in the search bar, go ahead and search for temu.com. As you can see, you will find various of coupon code that you can use to purchase an item of your Temu. You can also enter your email address and tap on Get Alerts so that you never miss out any of a coupon or an exclusive deal. Now you can select on any of the coupon that you prefer. You can tap on See Details to check out more information regarding it. If it seems fascinating enough for you, you can just copy the code. If you want to directly redeem at Temu, just tap on Redeem at Temu. After which you'll be redirected to the official web page of Temu. To use your promo code, it is pretty simple. Just select an item to purchase. While checking out, you should see the box called Add a Promo Code, in which just paste the code that you copied, or the chances are the code is already pasted. If the code is legitimate, you will see exclusive discount for you. And we have come to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.